Welcome to all. I am Dr. R. Shankar Ganesh, Associate Professor, Department of Automobile Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. We can see the topic about clutch, right? For various type of clutch and the basic type like a single plate clutch working principle. Okay, clutch. Clutch, it is one of the mechanical device which engages it will be the power is transmitted from driving shaft to driven shaft. Driving shaft means engine shaft to clutch shaft. When it disengages, the power is not transmitted from driving shaft to driven shaft, right? It's when the clutch engage and disengage is the very important one. Okay, so the next one is type of clutches. On the basis of the presence of lubricant, dry clutch and wet clutches. On the basis of number of plates, single plate clutch, multi plate clutch. On the method of operation, centrifugal clutch, semi-centrifugal clutch, pneumatic and hydraulic clutch, and also electromagnetic clutch. It is the single plate clutch line diagram. First we can see the component detail about the single plate clutch. It's a engine shaft. Okay, the engine shaft, and it is called as flywheel. Engine shaft is connected with flywheel. Okay, it is called as flywheel. Then after it is called as it is a friction plate. Okay, so friction plate, and also the friction plate, it is a friction lining also mounted in the friction plate. Okay, then after it is called as a pressure plate. Okay, it is a clutch spring. It is called as clutch spring, right? So it is called as clutch pedal. Okay, driver here only pressing the pedal. Okay, it is a fulcrum pin. Fulcrum pin, it is fixed one. It is called as clutch shaft. Okay, it is the output power, right? We can get the output mechanical work, right? It is engine. When run the engine, the flywheel also run. Okay, so here the flywheel rotate. Then here friction lining, it is by using this see here, it is a clutch spring. The clutch spring, it is offered by the force. So the pressure plate, it is pushing the friction lining to the flywheel. So what happening means highly contacted with the friction lining. Friction lining is highly contacted with the flywheel, so the power is transmitted to from flywheel to clutch shaft. Okay, when driver, it is engaged position. I am explained, it is engaged position. When driver is pushing the pedal, the fulcrum pin is fixed one. So see the lever. Okay, the lever, it can be moved right hand side. Okay, so when it move right hand side means total set of the pressure plate, it will be moved back. All right, so move back means also the spring also compress here. Then when it move back means automatically the clutch plate get released. So friction, right, clutch plate get released. So automatically the friction plate not engaged. Okay, the friction lining is not engaged with the flywheel. Okay, so the power is not transmitted. When the driver release the pedal, when it move upward direction, so automatically the friction The spring is, it is offer the force, so the pressure, it will be give the pressure to pressure plate, so the pressure plate give the pressure to clutch plate, so clutch plate, it is connected with the friction lining, so it is engaged to flywheel, so again the power is transmitted to flywheel to clutch shaft. Okay, so when engaged, okay, when engaged, the flywheel and clutch plate, the power is transmitted to engine shaft to clutch shaft. When disengaged, it cannot transmit it. Okay, it is the basic working principle of the single plate clutch. Okay, next one is, say, the main advantages, it is easy to repair because of it is a single plate only, right, so it is very easy to repair, maintenance also very easy to transmit the power, low heat generation, these are all the advantages of single plate clutch. Disadvantage, the torque transmitting capacity is very low. The reason only a single layer of the lining, it will be engaged with the flywheel. Okay, so that is the torque is reduced. This is another one disadvantage. This is old type of clutch, and also it cannot be used in small vehicles because of the single plate means diameter of the disc, it will be enlarged, so enlarged heavy large diameter, single plate means large diameter, it cannot designing factor, it cannot utilized in small vehicles. Okay, see, it is the complete transmission of the power generated from engine. The engine power is next one is it is transmitted by using clutch. So after that, clutch to the power is passing to gearbox. Then only it will be passing to rear axle and also rear wheel, right? The whole process, transmission process, right? Total transmission process. I will give one more animation video. See the animation video, complete transmission process. Okay. It's an engine running. Okay. Power produced from the engine, right? So piston is moving up and down, right? So connecting rod, it is oscillated and crank is rotated. Okay, piston moving, reciprocating motion is converted to oscillating motion by using connecting rod, and connecting rod, it is converted to oscillating motion to rotating motion by using crankshaft. See here, the clutch pedal is pressing. When it press, see the clutch plate, it will be disengaged. So the power is not transmitted from flywheel to clutch shaft. When it engages, the power is transmitted from flywheel to clutch shaft. The clutch shaft output is given to the gearbox input. See the gearbox. The gearbox is called as the main shaft. It is counter shaft. Okay, the gear, see here, one type of constant mesh gearbox, right? All the gears are engaged in constantly. Only the dog clutch engaged based only the gear changing processes here, right? When dog clutch engaged with first gear means the first gear is operated. So gear engaged with the second, third, fourth, fifth, and the reverse, which one of the dog clutch engaged. That power is transmitted from the main shaft, counter shaft to main shaft. It is the first gear operation. See, dog clutch is engaged with first gear, so the power is transmitted from counter shaft to main shaft through first gear. The dog clutch is engaged with the second gear, so the power is transmitted from counter shaft to second gear. But now second gear is disengaged, right? The dog clutch is engaged with third gear. But now dog clutch is disengaged and engaged with fourth gear. So the green is line, it is the power transmission indication line. The fifth gear, it is the fifth gear. See the power transmission, fifth gear, green line. So fine, this fifth gear operation. Finally, reverse gear, right? So it's a reverse gear. The final power output from the gear, it is transmitted to differential, all right? A differential to again rear wheel is power is transmitted. Okay, this is the overall power transmission from engine to wheel, right? Thank you, my dear students. Thank you, my dear students.